Doctor Project Management. The topic is Visualizing Progress, Cost Monitoring. Visualizing Progress, Economic Assessment. After collecting data, the project manager will represent the collected data using static picture. We look at some methods of presenting a picture of a project and its future. Some of these methods are Gantt charts, flip charts, bar charts, timeline. Gantt charts, simplest, oldest technique for tracking the project progress. Indicates scheduled activity dates and durations. Reported progress is recorded on the chart. Note that the Gantt chart is named after Henry Gantt and so should not be written in capitals. You could ask students what they think Gantt stands for before you tell them this to emphasis on them. I really find Gantt written as Gantt very annoying and threaten students with instant failure of the module if they do this. The format of the Gantt chart here differs from the format using Microsoft Project as the activities for each team member are grouped together. You could input the details so that they came out in this format, but it would not occur automatically. Flip charts provide more striking visual indication of those activities that are not progressing to schedule. The more the slip lines bends, greater variation from the plan. A slip chart is a version of the Gantt chart where a line is drawn from top to bottom. To the left of the line all are the completed activities and to the right those activities that have not been completed. The more jagged the line, the more it means that there are some activities that are lagging to various degrees and some that are ahead of themselves. A very jagged line means there is scope for replanning to move resources from those activities that are ahead to those that are behind. Bar charts to show whether targets have been met or not. Circles indicate start date and competition date. Whenever revisions are made, the revised date is put into the circle. Circles which represent the start or finish of activities start with the initial target dates. If these are modified, then the second dates are changed. When the event actually takes place, the color of the circle is changed to green if it is on target and to red if it has missed the target. The idea is that the chart is put on the wall in the prominent position as a constant reminder to the project team of the current situation. Hence, it is often referred to as balls on the wall. Ball charts. Code and test module A, code and test module B, code and test module C. The timeline. This records the way the targets have changed throughout the project. Planned time is plotted on the horizontal axis and actual time is on the vertical axis. The bendy lines going from top to bottom represent the scheduled completion date for each activity. For example, analyze existing system. At start, this was due finish on the Monday of week 3 and it did finish then obtained user requirements was originally planned to finish on the Thursday of week 5. But at the end of first week, it was rescheduled to finish on the Tuesday of week 6. Cost monitoring. A project could be late because the staff originally committed have not been deployed. In this case, the project will be behind time but under budget. The project could be on time but only because additional resources have been added and so by lower over budget. Need to monitor both achievements and costs. Cost management. Cost management includes cost estimation, cost budgeting, cost control. Estimation and budgeting need tools and techniques. Estimation technique, reserve analysis, cost baseline, funding requirements. Cost control. Performance measurement analysis, plant value, actual cost, cost variance, cost performance index, estimate to complete, approve change request. Estimating schedule activity, estimation cost of the resources needed to complete the activity. Includes variations to the cost estimate. Take into consideration alternative cost for overall project time period. Cost of extended design effort versus additional maintenance cost. Activity estimating input tools, inputs. External factors, marketplace condition, external cost, information databases, organization assets, historical information, estimating policies and templates, team knowledge. Project factors, scope, WBS, management plan, schedule plan, staffing plan, risk. Tools, analysis estimates, resource cost rates, parametric estimates, vendor bid analysis, project management software, reserve analysis will be used as the discretion of the project manager. Budgeting project unknown risks will be budgeted according to the severity level and probabilities. The budget will cover mitigation activities and workarounds and will be implemented upon project manager decision. Cost of quality. Cost added to the project in order to ensure conformance with quality standards. Cost of non-quality failure cost zero. Cost that will add as a result of bugs and non-quality project activities. Activity estimating. Output. Activity cost estimating. Most likely estimates of all the activity resources. Estimate details. Basis for the estimates. Assumptions made. Constraints. Possible range of estimate. Requested changes. CA control account. Cost management plan. Cost baseline. Aggregating the estimated cost of the individual scheduled activities to establish a total cost baseline for measuring the budgeting the project. Thank you.